heritage animal of India? Answer is elephant. 10th question. In which state is the International Kite Festival celebrated? Answer is Gujarat. Let's go to the 11th question. What is the national anthem of India? Answer is Janagana Mana. 12th question. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is the Ganges. The Ganges is the longest river in India. Let's go to the 13th question. What is the total area occupied by India? Answer is 32,87,263 square kilometer. 14th question. How many colors are there in Indian flag? Answer is 4. Saffron, white and green bands and a blue Ashoka Chakra. Let's go to the 15th question. What